Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the Fastrack watch has at least 50% charge and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Open the Fastrack Connect app and sign in or create an account. This links device settings to your profile. Grant required permissions, especially Bluetooth and location, because pairing and notifications depend on them. Once done, keep the watch screen active and the phone unlocked, so the app can discover the watch. This saves time and avoids repeated discovery attempts. You now initiate pairing. In the app, tap Add Device or Pair New Watch and follow on-screen prompts. The app will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your Fastrack model when it appears. When a pairing code pops up on both screens, confirm it. This prevents accidental connections to other gadgets. Afterwards, accept prompts for notifications, calls, and contact permissions, because these let the watch mirror alerts. If you use a PIN on the watch, enter it when requested to finalize the secure link. You finish by syncing and customizing. Allow any firmware updates, set time and notification preferences, and confirm health data sync. Test incoming calls and messages to ensure the watch receives alerts. Then check step, heart rate, and sleep data sync in the app. If something goes wrong, the most effective troubleshooting is to toggle Bluetooth, restart both devices, and retry pairing. This clears transient issues. If pairing still fails, unpair any conflicting devices and repeat the app's Add Device sequence to create a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.